Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we're opening a brand new subscription to our channel, and this is so cute. It's called Gramma in a Box. That is what the side of the box looks like. Here, let me cover up my address. Look, she put some like stickers and stuff on there. So cute. So, like with all new subscriptions on our channel, I pull up the website so we can learn a little bit more about it. So what is Gramma in a Box? On the website, has a picture of such a cute woman, and it says, Gramma in a Box is an idea I developed when 3 of my grandchildren moved to Seattle. I was always boxing up cookies and treats that we could make together when we Skyped. Once I shared this idea with other friends and family, the concept for Gramma in a Box was born. If you are lucky enough to live near your grandchildren, or as a parent you want to have a fun creative project without all the work, then Gramma in a Box may be for you. Or if you're like me and your grandchildren do not live nearby, then shipping Gramma in a Box may just be the fun monthly activity you need. Your monthly Gramma in a Box includes baked cookies with frosting and sprinkles, as well as 2 easy candy crafts to make, enough to make up to 20 finished products in each box. Step-by-step instructions with illustrations are included. Fun for everyone in the family. Check out how it works for more information. So I just clicked on how it works. And it says, each month you will receive a fun-filled box of treats to make. Your box includes almost everything you need to make and decorate up to 20 cookie and candy treats, including fresh homemade cookies, a variety of sprinkle and colored frosting, 2 easy candy crafts, detailed instruction sheet with photos, as well as decorating ideas. Some months will also include a holiday theme, like such as Valentine's Day or St. Patrick's Day. This will be a fun memory maker for children who do not live by their grandma, or a great activity when grandma visits. I think this is so cute. I love the idea of this. And I mean, all you gotta do is say cookies and I am in. Cookies are my favorite thing. Like, you know, some people like love ice cream or whatever. Like, my treat is cookies. Like, I'm trying not to snack too much these days. I probably talk about too much, but you guys all know I'm trying to like lose some weight. I let myself still have some treats though. I'm not gonna like deprive myself completely. That's like how diets fail. So my treat last night was a cookie. So like, you know, if I can only have one thing and I choose a cookie, I love cookies. So this says you can subscribe for yourself or give as a gift, and it's recommended for anyone age 4 or older. It says, who should get Gramma in a Box? Like if you're wondering like who is this box for, it does say it's perfect for everyone, but some ideas are for grandparents, like we already talked about, for grandchildren, for nieces and nephew, college students. Ooh, that would be a good one. Can you imagine getting cookies in the mail during college? Like, I can't even imagine if I had all these subscription box options in college. I think I did get Birchbox towards like the end of college, you know, but maybe that was farm to school, I don't know. But it could also be good for people who have stay-at-home like date nights for couples, or parents who want a fun activity to do with their children without all the work. So yeah, let's get unboxing. But oh yeah, and the pricing information. I already know the pricing of that is, it's $10 for your first month. You don't need any code, that is just automatic. And then it is $20 a month thereafter with free shipping. So I'm gonna grab my scissors and let's get unboxing and see what goodies are in here. It sounds so good. And I forgot to mention this, there is a sticker on the front that says a Best By date. So like, you know, there's some baked goods, like she sent some pre-made cookies in here. So that's nice that they have that. I think that's really awesome actually. When I open it up, this is what I see. And there is a cute sticker in it. This is Gramma in a Box. Let me see if I can show you guys without spilling everything. Hopefully you guys can see. That is so cute that they have their personalized stickers. And there are some cards on top. So it looks like the theme for June is emojis and minions. Welcome to the June Gramma in a Box. This month, sorry, there's like a motorcycle or something going by. How rude. This month we have 3 new projects, including emoji pops, minion bites, and minion and emoji cookies. I'd love to see what emojis you come up with, so please send me some photos. Have fun with your cookie and candy crafts from Gramma. Be sure to read through all 3 project cards before you start. I'm working on some fun and patriotic projects for next month. If you already subscribed, thank you. If not, the deadline is July 3rd for the next box, as we ship the very first week of every month. Thank you for helping us grow. Gramma. Or Gramma TLC. That must be what she goes by. And then in the back it has all of the contents. So it lists everything there, and it says what you will need from home. Oh, it doesn't look too bad what you need. It says scissors, check, microwave, check, 1 small microwave safe bowl, yes, 1 paper plate, That I don't know if I have. One knife, one fork, one spoon, yes, and then toothpicks are optional. So most people have like all these things at home, so that's awesome. And then it just says it's some instructions to empty the contents of your box, all of that. So the next few sheets are the ones that say the project. So the first project is emoji pops. And wow, these are really detailed cards. They're easy to follow. I like how they're in color. So like certain things are in red, which is like Grandma says, so she like gives some tips and stuff. So emoji pops, this looks so cute. It says, for this project, you will need the package of marshmallows and sticks, assorted candy emoji decorations, brown jimmies, and the melting chocolate. You'll also need a spoon and small microwave safe bowl. And then give step-by-step instructions along with those grandma tips. And then on that's like all the directions, and then on the back, it like says everything you need. Ingredients, project 1 emoji pops, so the melting chocolate, marshmallows, chocolate jimmies, and the candy eye mustache and stars, and then it has all of the ingredients in them, so that's great, and the allergens, so that's super awesome. This is very detailed. I think that's really important because a lot of people do have sensitivities and allergies and all of that, or they're just very aware of what they put in their body, so I really appreciate that. But let's grab out the things that go with this. So melting chocolate, look, it's labeled all nicely. This is so cute. And it is like emoji flavored, I don't know what emojis taste like, colored, like, right? A lot of the emoji faces are like yellow. And then marshmallows. So here are some marshmallows. Chocolate jimmies, isn't that sprinkles? Like in certain parts of the world people call jimmies. We just say sprinkles in Chicago. We had this debate the other day, well not this debate, but about like what people call things from around the world. I find it so interesting, like what people do in different cultures and like areas. So I grew up in Chicago and we just said sprinkles, I think. Like, so is jimmies like a specific area, or like does everyone call it jimmies? And I just never did. But here are the the jimmies, the chocolate jimmies. And then it says the last ingredients are candy eyes, mustache, and stars. Okay, and that must be this. Look at how cute. So there are like little eyes in there. Star, yeah, it's little decorations. This is so cute. Everything came perfectly wrapped and everything, by the way. Oh, and there's a little card in here. So it looks like Grandma is Terry Chamberlain. So cute, her little business card. And on here it says get $10 off your first box with a code. She told me that you do just get it automatically, but just in case I will show you guys this and put it in the description box. So cute. All right, so let's see what the second project is. This is Minion Bites. For this project, you will need the container of Rice Krispie mix, the blue jimmies, and brown paper cups, along with the leftover melted chocolate from project 1. You will also need a spoon, and then gives you know, some more details on it, and then the ingredients on the back. So this is what it looks like. I think these cards like contain just the perfect amount of information, and they're easy to follow. I know I already said this, but I love that it has the ingredients in there. I think that's cool. So melting chocolate, so I guess we use some of this for project 2 as well. The Cocoa Krispies. The Rice Krispie cereal, or was that? I think this is both Cocoa Krispies and Rice Krispie cereal. Like the Cocoa Krispies are the darker one. Oh my god, childhood like flashback right now. I used to love those. My mom would never let us get those types of cereals, but I really like them. Like sleepovers, love the sugary cereals. Right, and then blue jimmies. Here we go. Awesome. And then the third project is emoji and minion cookies. Yum. So for this project, you will need the cookies, frosting, emoji accessories, and sprinkles from your box. You will also need scissors, a small paper plate, 1 or 2 knives for spreading frosting, and toothpicks for decorating techniques. And then some more tips and all of that, some grandma tips, or grandma directions, whatever. And on the back, the ingredients. So the sugar cookies are already made, it looks like. Super nice. And then frosting, oh my gosh. This is so cute. So there's 3 different colors of frosting, blue, yellow, and red. And there's a little note on each of them that says, please knead the frosting for a minute if separated. So you can just cut off the tip and put them on so easily. Oh my gosh, so cute. On here is the red and yellow. Oh my god, this is seriously so well thought and packaged. Oh my gosh. And then sanding sugar. So here are what I think that is. So these are like, yeah, it's colored sugar in yellow and blue. And then we'll also use some of the candy eye, mustache, and star, like little assorted shapes and stuff like that. This is so cute. So let me just make sure there is nothing left. Oh, there's some of like these to use for what you make, I guess. I wonder what these go with. Is it the Minion Bites? Yes, this is for the Minion Bites. That's super nice. These look like Reese's, like wrapping. God, I got sugar on my mind. So that is everything. This is so cute. I can't wait to make these. I think I'm like pre-filming right now. I'm like on a roll right now, filming a few videos. So maybe I'll make like the cookies tonight. Let me see what. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm trying to use my Instagram more. I'm pretty bad about it. I'm okay at doing the stories, but I want to do it more because I find like I love posting videos and talking to you guys in the comment section and everything, but I want to be able to like do stuff on a more frequent basis. So what I'm gonna do is when I make these and stuff, I'm going to post it and the whole process on my Instagram stories. So if you are not yet following me on Instagram, I always post my social media links down below. So please do so if you want to be friends and check out everything I do. So yeah, I will make these. This is so cute. I think this is such a good box. Like everything is so well packaged, like perfectly. The directions, these little cards, I think are so useful and like straight to the point. There's not like too much information. I like how things are color coded and there's ingredients, like so easy to do. I like how they give you all of the contents. Oh, I didn't even realize that in here is wax paper, so you can use. You don't even need to have your own wax paper. I just thought this was like wrapping but I just looked at the ingredient list and this was right on top. So you even get wax paper. They give you pretty much everything you need. Like there's just like a few things like scissors. I can't really like ship that. Is that considered like a weapon? I don't know. But I mean, I've got scissors all over. Like I love this. But yeah, oh, I just dropped something. But yeah, I think this is so cute. I love this. So I am going to go ahead and leave the website down below. Like the owner said, you should get the first month for $10 automatically, but just in case, I will put the promo code that came in here. And yeah, definitely excited to see what happens and taste all of this. This is so cute and so fun. So yeah, I think this really could be for anyone. Like I'm clearly not like a mom or anything, but I think if I had kids, this would be really fun to do with them. But I'm excited just to do it by myself or maybe with a friend or something that comes over. We can do it together. I just think it's gonna be so cute and definitely like gonna be picture worthy, like snapping some pics of this. So cute. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you are having an amazing day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.